Welcome to AI Video Avatars, a new way to engage. AI characters are here. They are changing video creation. These are digital people generated by smart software. They can talk and gesture, much like a real presenter. This opens up new possibilities for businesses and creators alike. It is a very exciting time. Why use AI characters? They make videos more engaging. A friendly face can hold attention better than just text or slides. You do not need to be on camera. No more worrying about filming. AI presenters are always ready. They never have a bad hair day. This saves time and effort too. Choosing your digital star tools and customization. Customizing your AI character is key. You want them to look right. Start by selecting an avatar. Many tools offer a library. You can choose different faces. Some tools let you create new ones. Think about who they represent. Does the face match your brand? This is an important first step. Next, consider hairstyles and outfits. These details add personality. Does your character need to look professional? Perhaps a smart suit or a blouse, or maybe a more casual style like a t-shirt and jeans? Many tools offer options here. Choose colors that fit your brand. Make your avatar feel authentic. Giving your AI character a voice, scripts and delivery. Your AI character needs a script. Good writing is very important. Keep your scripts concise. Get straight to the point. People have short attention spans, especially when watching videos online. Use simple words and sentences. Avoid jargon or complex terms. Make it easy for everyone to understand. Write in a conversational style. Imagine your AI character is talking like a real person in conversation. Use contractions like it's or your. This makes the speech sound natural. Read your script out loud. Does it flow well? Is it engaging? A good script makes the AI shine. It helps connect with your viewers. The finishing touches: enhancing and sharing your video. Enhance your video with visuals. A plain background can sometimes work, but adding elements makes it better. You can choose a solid color, perhaps one from your brand palette, or use a background image. Make sure it is not too distracting. The focus should be on the character and the message they are delivering. Consider adding animations or graphics. These can make the video more dynamic. You could add text overlays to highlight key points or titles. Your company logo can be included. This helps with brand recognition. Simple animations can illustrate ideas, but do not overdo it. Keep the visuals clean and clear.